In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a backup for your Hytale world. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Just a quick reminder that you can use the Creator Code Academy on the Hytale store if you want to support the channel. So this is very easy and it will help you if you want to maybe test something on the world, but you want to make sure that you don't lose anything. So you can go to Worlds right here on Hytale. Then you need to right click the world where you want to create this backup. So for example, let's say it's this one, right click it and open folder. So this will open the folder of that world. So in my case, it's server, as you can see here. So we need to go to this folder, the saves folder, and now you will find all your worlds right here. So in my case, I want to create a backup of this world called server. All you need to do is right click it, copy, and then paste it right here. Now we can change the name of this folder to server backup, for example. And now if we go back to the game and go to worlds again, you will see how there are two worlds right now. So as you can see, they have the same name. So if you want to change it, just go back to the folder, go to the backup folder, and then go to universe, go to worlds, default, and you will need to edit this config. So just right click it and edit in Notepad, and now just change the display name right here. It's server right now, so just put backup, for example. Save the changes by clicking on file and then save. And now if we go back to the game, we can go to worlds, and as you can see, the name has changed. So that's it. That's how you can create backups for your worlds on Hytale. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.